I saw the video that there was a father and his son, and they were used to be homeless. And then they were going for his father's interview. But while walking, his son get hungry. Before this, his father has his father has to run a restaurant named Harold's Restaurant, and he used to run kitchen for his whole life. But he just runs into some hard times after his wife passed away, and then now this is a backstory. And now while walking, his son gets hungry, and then his father found a food cart in front of the Giovanni's restaurant, and then he go to that cart and said
He
that
goes to
man
the car.
he goes to that cart and said that man that can I get one hot dog please, and then he said for sure, and then he start making that hot dog. But while making hot dog, that man checked his pocket and he found no money. Then after that he said, sorry, I don't have money, so I can't buy this. And then he said to his son, sorry son, I can't get you that hot dog. But then his son said, but dad, I wanted that hot dog. And then father said, sorry son, but after getting job I will never let you hungry. And then after listening this, that man who on that hot dog cart, and while making, he said no problem, and then he gave that hot dog to his son for free. And then he said, and then that man said, thank you, but after getting money, after when I get my job, he I will I will return you your money. And then he said no problem. And then owner of that restaurant owner of that food cart said, where are you going for interview? And then he said, Giovanni's restaurant. And then that man said, who this is most popular place in the town. And then he said to his son, you can stay here and I will go to interview. And then when he
I will go for interview.
I will go for interview. And then when he enters in restaurant, reception person said, sorry sir, we don't allow homeless here. And then he said, but I don't come here for eating. He I come here for job interview, and Mr. Giovanni is expecting me. Can you call him for me please? And then he said for sure. And then he called the owner of that restaurant, and when the owner came, he said to reception person first, you know we don't allow homeless here. And then reception person said, but I tried to tell him. And then owner said, no, you can go. And then he said, sir, wait, I need the job of a chef in your restaurant. I used to run a I used to run kitchen for my whole life, and I am very expert in this. And then he showed him his resume. But when owner of that restaurant saw his resume, he thought that this resume is fake. And then he said, you are lying, and you can go, and you just go before I call cops. And then when he go outside, and while he telling to his son that what happens in restaurant, the owner of that food cart said, no problem, you can do a job here. And then he also said that how much hot dogs that you sell in couple of months, you can get 20% money of it. And then he said thank you so much, and then he gave him bonus of a free hot dog, because he has not eaten for a day. And while tasting that hot dog, he said, I can make it even better by using my experience to work in kitchen for several years. And then he said, may I come inside? And then owner of that food cart said, yes, you can. And when he enters in that food cart, he he said, I'm looking for some mayonnaise, jalapenos, and etc. And then while he was making hot dog, the owner of that restaurant come outside and said, this is just putting water to a sinking ship. And then he gave him to his and then he gave him his card of that restaurant, and then he said, you can give your customers here while they this
This business broke down. You may
when
finish.
this business broke down, you can call call them here. And then he mock, and then he start making hot dog again. And then he said, I think this will change your mind. But he said, no, I'm also on that my point. And and then in while talking, hot dog made it, and then he gave it to his son. And then his son shocked to taste him, because this is even better from that hot dog. And then he add some more things in menu, like corn on cob, burgers, sausages, and hot dog also. And then more customers came, and Giovanni became empty, and honor also became empty. And then one day when he go outside, and then he saw that line. And then he asked to that a person who stand in line, that what happened here. And then he said, you don't know, this man used to become homeless, but this man used to be homeless, but now he is make trying hard work, and now he is making hot dogs very tasty. And then when he go there, and then he saw that man, and then he said, I think that I treat you very bad. I would you job here in Giovanni's for extra salary. And then he see, and then he looked to his son, and then his son navigate her navigate him
Navigated, nodded him that no.
nodded him that no. And then he he said to that his owner of that Giovanni's restaurant, that no, I don't want that job. And then he said, whatever, I also want to taste your hot dog, that what you are selling first in your buns. And then he said, for sure, but you have to wait in line. And then owner of the restaurant said, owner of
He
the
got angry.
Giovanni's,
Yeah.
he said, this is ridiculous. And then he go
He
moral
goes.
and then he goes, moral of that story, don't judge book by its cover.